Welcome to Denton Outdoors. I'm in the Carson National Forest in New Mexico with my friend Graham, and we're hiking the Knob Loop. Come along for the adventure. We just left Indian Lake, and this trail is about 7.5 miles long. It's about 2,000 feet of elevation. We've got about half the elevation done and another half to go until we're up to the knob. We're on our way down, and we've made it down a lot of elevation. Now we just follow this creek back to the car. Man, there's been a lot of water crossings with snowmelt, and we're on the last mile now. Made it back to the car. Man, that was an amazing hike. So many great views and just like such peace and quiet. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as we did. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.